Hello guys, welcome to our Wix Contact series where we create video tutorials specific to your Wix contacts. Today we're going to talk about importing contacts from a CSV file. Just a heads up, you should have your CSV file ready, but if you're about to set it up yet, here are some important things to keep in mind according to Wix. You can import a maximum of 100 custom fields and include up to 200 columns. Include a header row in your file. Each header will match up to a field within Wix contacts. You can include values for any of the default Wix contacts fields or custom fields you've added. Next, make sure each row in your file contains an email address or phone number. Next, make sure your import file contains fewer than 10,000 contacts. Next, make sure any date fields are in the following format: year, month, and day. Next, make sure your file is a CSV file in UTF-8 encoding, and make sure your contact email addresses are correct, because mistyped emails such as gmail.com or gmail.com may cause your email marketing campaigns to bounce. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So here on your site's dashboard, go to the search bar and type in contacts, then select contact list from the drop-down. Now, let's click on the Import Export button here on the upper right and select Import Contacts. This time we're going to go with the CSV file option, so click on Get Started here. And first, here's a reminder to prepare your file for import. So you can download a sample CSV file. You can add field titles in the first row, for example, first name, email, etc. And then make sure all contacts include a phone number or email address. If you're not sure, just click on Learn How over here so that you'll get more assistance. All right, let's go and click on Next over here to proceed. Now, upload your file. So click on the plus button here, navigate to the location of your file, and select the CSV file that you'd like to import. So I'm gonna click on this one and click on Open. Next, decide whether you'd like to mark those contacts as email subscribers or not. Email subscribers are contacts who agreed to be added to your mailing list. Before marking them as subscribers and sending email campaigns, make sure they've agreed to receive emails. So if you'd like to mark them as email subscribers, take the checkbox here. Otherwise, you can just leave it be. Now we're going to click on Next to proceed to the next step. Alright, so here we are. Now you'll be asked to match fields to Wix contacts. Make sure fields in your CSV match the correct Wix contact fields. You're going to have to manually check to see if the fields match. So we're going to try to see it one by one. First name, that's correct. Last name, correct. Email, correct. Phone, correct. Address, let's change this to, okay, maybe that's fine. Let's go to city, that's okay. Country, okay. Company, that's correct. Favorite color, green, correct. All right, so I think everything's okay over here, but if in case you find something that's not matching, you can simply click on the drop down over here and select the correct contact field to import. If you can't find a contact field to match with it, because the field over here is custom, you can click a corresponding Wix custom field for that. So just click on Create Custom Field over here. A new window will appear. Select your field type and input your custom field name and click on Add, and that should be added there. All right, so make sure to double check everything and make sure that there are no errors. Once everything is okay, click on Next over here. And now it's time for us to label our contacts. This is optional, but labels are a great way to organize your contacts into categories and mailing lists. So click on Add Label over here and start typing in labels. You can type in several labels and separate each label by hitting the Enter key. So I'm going to type in clients, for example, and type in important and hit Enter. There you go. So you can input several labels over here as long as those labels match your contacts. Once you're done, click on Import over here to start the importing process. And here we are. Our import has been completed. To find your contacts from this import, you can filter using the labels you've input a while ago. Anyway, that's all for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.